Mr. Vummidi Bangaru, and then the Master SanjoyPramanik.
SanjoyPramanik, India. The bronze medal goes to Reza Abashizadeh, Iran.
Especially thank you Canada Energy, AGI, and my sponsor, Vummidi Bangaru.
CEO of GJSCI, all the press people here, and all the people who are committed in making sure Sanjay wins the medal in this world competition. As you have seen today, it's not just some skill competition that happens some part of the world. It is the skill competition that happens every 2 years. It is like the Olympics of any sport. It is not some easy thing that you can easily win and come out. It needs a lot of practice, it needs a lot of skill, it needs just not only skill, it also needs the mental stability to make sure that we don't crack at the end of first day or second day. Because it's a 4-day competition. So at the first or 2 days you're still fresh, but after that you can get a little bit tired. So he was able to complete everything with the training that we had given. Everybody from every state studying engineering, going out from Tamil Nadu, going out to the world and treating people and being engineers all over the world. You've seen even in the US, some of the top CEOs are from Tamil Nadu. So this state has always been welcoming. It gives more than it gets. So thank you Tamil Nadu also.
And it is a jewelry piece you finally make from that sheet of metal. It is divided into 4 modules. Each module has a lot of details. Like what Mr. Amar said, you have to maintain the dimensions accurately, you have to maintain the weight, you have to maintain the finish, surface finish, you have to maintain the timeliness, you have to complete it.
Where I got the 2nd place from there. And my second international competition, it was in Australia. There I got 3rd position. Both these competitions were of a great opportunity and helping me for obtain my final Worldskills Kazan competition.
63 countries is this time. Next time probably there would be more, and before 2027.